Hey everyone, welcome back. If Instagram Reels are not loading, first start by checking your internet connection. Reels require a strong and stable connection to load properly. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Instagram, and then swipe it away. After that, wait for a few seconds, then reopen it. Then pull down to refresh the page. Then restart your phone to clear temporary glitches. After that, make sure the Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update your app from the App Store. On Android devices, clearing the app's cache may help. If Reels still do not load, go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the app. In some cases, the issue may be temporary due to server problems, so waiting a few minutes can also help, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.